Now I will show you how to calculate age and also how to calculate age with month. Okay, first we need to create table. Go to create, then table design. Now I will type patient ID, then auto, data type auto, then here format I will type 110,000. So this is our format. I will make this primary key. Then next is last name, then first name, then I will put middle name. Then the very important is the date of birth, which is we will calculate age based on these entries for our birthday, or we'll put shorter date of birth, this one. Data type is date and time. Then we will save patient records. Okay, next we will put some module in order to calculate our age. So we will put some function. Insert here. First, option explicit. Then now we will put our function, which is age, then var birth date as variant, then as integer. Next, we will put dim var age as variant. So we'll put some if statement. If is null, so it's a blank, then we'll put var birth date, this one, then age equal 0. If blank, then we will exit the function. Then we'll put our variant here, var age, then we will put date def, so meaning this is the date difference. So this function, date def functions, returns the difference between two date values or based on the interval. So meaning whatever the difference between two date values interval, which is our var birthday. So now we will put here the year, then our var birth date. So this is the birth date. So whatever the difference between our birth date, then we'll put now. so which is the current year and date. I mean, if date is less than date serial, so another function. So this date serial returns a date given a year, month, and day value. So I will put here year, then the current year, which is now, then month, then var birth date, then close parenthesis, then comma. Now we will put day, then our variant, which is again var birth date. Now we will close this date serial, then var age equal var age minus 1. Then we will close the end or F statement. Then here age equal C I N T. So this is another function. So meaning this CINT, it converts the value to an integer, this one. So this functions provides also the international hour convention, this one, from other data type. So meaning if this one is from the date, so this one will convert into the integer, which is our age. Okay, now I will put close open parenthesis, then our var age. So whatever the value from our date, it will convert into an integer. Okay, so this one we will use into our query. We will call this function inside our query. Okay, I will save age mod. Now we will create a query. So go to create, then design, just double click our table, then I will drag this one to fill all. If we open this one, all whatever are fields here, it will automatically open with our query. Okay, before we will call that function, I need to concatenate our last name, first name, middle name as our full name. Okay, I will put the alias here, full name, then open bracket. Now I will put my first name, close bracket, and then double quote, space, double quote. So this is to separate our first name and middle name, also to have some space. Then I will open bracket, then I will put middle name, then close bracket again, we'll put some space, and lastly our last name. Okay, I will save this one, patient record extended. I will close because I need to put some data here. Last name, Corvera. So this is the format which we put before into our ID. Corvera, Rinaldo, or Beta. So since we concatenate this one, so it will show the full name, which is Rinaldo or Beta Corvera. Now this is the very important, which is our main topic, date of birth. So I will put here so 12/19/1976. So this is my date of birth. Okay, now I will close this one. Again, I will open a design view. Since this is concatenate, so if I will click run, it combines my first name, middle name, and last name as full name. Okay, now we will put here my current age. Here, first I will put age. This is our alias. Then now I will put our function, which is age. This one, this function. Then open parenthesis, then open bracket, date of birth, then close bracket, then close parenthesis. So this is how short. But look, if we will run this one, look what happened. Look, automatically it converts into integer, which is my age from date of birth, which is our variant. Okay, now we will put another function to include not only the current age, but also including how many months. Okay, now I will close this query. Again, we will add another function. I will just copy this one from here, then we will modify. Instead of age, so we will add months. Then we will also modify here by val, then var birth date as variant, then as integer. I will delete this one. Here, if it's null, then birth date. Then here, instead of age, we will also add month. Almost identical, only we will put months, then exit function. Now we will modify here. We'll add dim t age as double. Then here, instead of var age, we will copy this one and put here. So dated F, I will delete this one, then date def, so again this is a difference. Then we will put a month here, M, then our var birth date, again now, then we will close this def. I will delete this one. Here, if date part, so we'll put day, this is the day, then var birth date more than date part, then again we'll put the day, then now, then we will close our date part. Then I will copy this one, th equal th minus 1, then we'll put some if statement. If th is less than 0, then th equal th plus 1, then we'll close our f statement and f. Then now we will call our each month. So this is our function, each month equal, again cint, then th, then mod 12. This is our month, the whole month in a year. Then okay, so again this is our function to extract our age and month. Now we will call this function inside our query here. So I will put again some alias. This is, we'll put some patient age with month. So this is the alias. Then first we will call the age function, then open bracket, date of birth, and in between I will put years, then and now we will insert our function, the second functions, which is age months. So same process, we'll put our date of birth, then close bracket, then close parenthesis, then we'll put again some string here, message additional, so month. Okay, Now we have here only age, and here patient age with month. It's showing age here. Then we'll put some string or text years. Then here month. Then this one is the string. Okay, now we will save. Click run. Sorry, if I forgot to put here and F, because we have if statement here, then another if statement. Okay, we run again. Look, now so I need to put some space here. 43 years old, so here 43 years old. Years I will put here space. Now it's okay. Then again month, so I will put another space here. Okay, now I'm 43 years and 9 months. So this is it. This is how to calculate our age with the corresponding month using these functions. Thank you and God bless.